Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable SafeSearch in Chrome with a full tutorial, follow these step-by-step instructions to filter explicit content. Step 1. Open the Google Chrome browser on your computer by clicking the Chrome icon from your desktop or Applications folder. Step 2. In the address bar at the top, type google.com and press Enter to navigate to the Google homepage. Step 3. Click on Settings at the bottom right corner of the Google homepage, or type google.com preferences in the address bar. Step 4. Scroll down to the SafeSearch Filters section, which controls how explicit content is filtered from your search results. Step 5. Select the option labeled Filter Explicit Results to enable SafeSearch, which will block most adult content. Step 6. If you want stricter filtering, select Blur Explicit Results, which will blur potentially explicit images and videos. Step 7. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save to apply your SafeSearch settings. Step 8. To lock SafeSearch and prevent others from changing it, you can sign in with a Google account and use Google Family Link or supervised accounts. Test your settings by performing a search to ensure explicit content is filtered appropriately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.